In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Paymob to Odoo. We'll go through the full setup inside Odoo so you can install the Paymob integration and configure it correctly for payments. This process is straightforward, but it's important to enter each setting carefully, especially the payment credentials, because even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. To begin, go to your Odoo homepage. Once you're on the main dashboard, click on Apps. This is where you can search for and install additional modules that extend Odoo's functionality. In the Apps section, type Paymob into the search bar and press Enter. Odoo will display the available results related to Paymob. When you find the correct Paymob app, click Install. Give it a moment to complete the installation. Depending on your system speed and internet connection, this may take a few seconds. After the app is installed, open the website module, then click on Configuration. Inside the configuration area, select Payment Providers. This section is where Odoo manages all of the payment gateways connected to your site or store. From the list of providers, click on Paymob. This opens the Paymob configuration page where you'll activate and complete the connection. First, click on Enabled so the provider becomes active in Odoo. If this is not enabled, customers won't be able to use it during checkout. Next, add the account country. Make sure you choose the correct country associated with your Paymob account, since this can affect how the gateway behaves and which settings are available. Now enter your HMAC key, then your API key, followed by your secret key, and finally your public key. These values should come directly from your Paymob account settings or developer dashboard. Be careful not to include extra spaces when pasting them in, and make sure each key goes into the correct field. For security reasons, never share these credentials publicly or include them in documentation or recordings. Once all the details are filled in, click Save. This stores the configuration and completes the Paymob connection inside Odoo. At this point, your Paymob payment provider should be connected and ready for use. If you want to be extra safe, it's a good idea to review the saved settings and confirm everything was entered correctly before processing live transactions. And that's it. That's how to connect Paymob to Odoo.